శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing to Narada about this entire Srishti, relating this one to Sriman Narayana's Virat Purusha's divine body, saying that, O Narada, aham bhavan bhavascha eva ta ime munayoho agrajaha. Me and the one you who came from me, and Shiva and those Sanaka and other great rishis who born before you, and all the devatas, all the danavas, all human beings, all snakes, all birds, all animals who crawl on the floor, and Gandharvas, Apsarasas, Yakshas, Rakshasas, Bhutaganas, animals, and Pitrudevatas, Siddhas, Vidyadharas, Charanas, all the trees, and animals which lives in water, animals which lives in the sky, and planets, stars, tarakas, lightning, clouds, everything is anavalapped by Sakshat Virat Purusha. O Narada, all these entities is very humble to Sriman Narayana, as and how the body is humble to the Atma, this entire creation is humble to Sakshat Paramatma. O Narada, Sriman Narayana himself is bearing this entire creation, controlling this entire Srishti, and governing this entire Srishti. O Narada, there is nothing which does not have Paramatma Sriman Narayana as his or as its Antaryami. Everything is pervaded by Sriman Narayana. That is why it is also said, look at this universe, look at this entire Srishti as Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana. O Narada, Sarvam Purusha Evedam Bhutam Bhavyam Bhavachayat. Whatever has happened so far, whatever is now happening, whatever is going to be happening in future, everything is Sriman Narayana. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma disclosing Sriman Narayana's all-pervasiveness and his glory to Narada Maharshi. The same thing is shared by Sri Sukha Yogindra to Parikshit Narendra. The same message is discoursed by Suta Mahamuni to Saunaka and other Maharshis. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.